and welcome back to another one of my Christmas slime making videos, and today I'm going to be making candy cane cloud and an orange and cinnamon Java chip fluffy slime. So I've been really looking forward to making these two. I just couldn't wait to get stuck in, and now I've got a moment. I'm just going to measure out into a 7-ounce pot some cloud slime I made before. Oh look, it's shaped like a heart. So this is going to be scented with candy cane, just mixing it in, and this slime is super fluffy and drizzly and beautiful. Okay, so I'm breaking the slime into 3 pieces, or thirds, so I'm going to take off a third now. Although I do realise that, well, I'm doing 3 colours for this slime. It's going to be red, so in goes some acrylic, and white and green, but what I forgot is that white goes alternately, so you have white, red, white, green, white, red, white, green, striping through the slime, so you need a lot more white than you need green. But luckily I've got lots of white cloud slime to the ready, so that's okay. But if you're going to make this slime and you've got 7 ounces exactly, or however much your pot takes, then split your slime in half, and then split one half into quarters, or halve it again, and then colour each quarter 1 red, 1 green, and then half of the slime is going to be white, if that makes sense. So I've got white, red and green. So I'm starting off with a small piece of white, and I'm going to push it into the bottom of the pot and give it a sort of slanted edge. I'm sorry about the state of my hands, I've been slime making all day. It's just one of the hazards of slime making, it is messy business. So I've just put in a slanted bit of white and in with the red, and I'm just going to be alternating with white, red, white, green, white, red, white, green, all the way through right up to the top. So it is a fiddly process, but the end result is just so worth it. It's also quite a good idea to shape this into a sort of oval type shape, because then it will fit snugly. Remember, it's not a circle because it's slanted, and it just helps you fit a sort of angled stripe into the pot more easily. And then as you reach the top, you can just slice off the excess so that it will all fit very nicely and maintain that striped look throughout the slime. And here we have some lovely stripes in 3 beautiful colours for Christmas. And it really matches the candy cane cabochon that I've got for this slime. So on goes one of my Christmas stickers, and this slime is going to come with a 2-ounce pot of white candy cane cloud slime, just so you can have some fun assembling it yourself. And I love the way that candy cane cabochon just appeared from nowhere. So here are the slimes and the sprinkles. These are sort of chocolate Fimo pieces, Fimo. And that's going to come with the package, so you can sprinkle it on yourself. And here's this wonderful candy cane cabochon. It's just such good quality. Oh. And there you have my candy cane cloud slime for you to assemble something like this. So on to slime number 2. I'm using orange cinnamon scent, and it just smells delicious and so Christmassy and warm, and fresh. I love it. So here we've got just a fluffy slime. I'm going to mix that in. And I just could not wait to use some Java chips for the first time in making slime. So this slime is very nice, it's clicky, it's scented so nicely, and I got these Java chips from Slime Marshmallows. No doubt you've heard of them. I've reviewed them twice and their slimes are amazing. So I'm just going to put a few of these in, and these are to sort of denote cinnamon. Perhaps, you know, the lighter brown, more caramelly colour would be better for cinnamon, but this is what I got, so this is what I'm going to use. And here are the orange fruit slices. Oh, I just loved these when I saw them. I couldn't wait to do a Christmas themed slime. So I got these from eBay and it worked out about sort of £5.50 for a couple of packs, including postage. And I love the way they've been packaged. They're just super cute. So I'm going to sprinkle some of these on, and that will really finish this slime off nicely. Oh wow, it's so colourful, so festive, and it just matches so well with the scent. Look at that. Well, how satisfying are those pops and crackles? What a lovely slime. So time to pot it up in this beautiful 8-ounce container. Oh, just look at that, such a festive slime, and it smells incredible. I just love it. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and you'll find these slimes listed in my shop for a very short while now. There's only a few of them available. Check out my shop, slimescrewball.etsy.com. See you in the next video. Bye!